She should have you wrapped around her little finger. What? No, she didn't. You know, Tiki, I can't say no to those baby doll eyes. Just be glad that none of Ladybug's baddies have them. Phoebe, Frederick,
How na they?
Here I am, Daddy.
Mariri, thank you. That is sweet. Thank you.
I did Paris again. No fair. You always win.
I'm sorry, Alex.
Thank you, babe.
It must be in the studio. No sweat. Can you just keep an eye on the for me, please?
I am cool. I just want to reply to someone who is hungry for my attention.
What? This is one of Mary's.
Good morning.
You took it after I specifically told you not to.
I don't know. I yes, Kekere define me.
I told you the dolls were to stay at her house.
Kekere,
You won't be needing
you define my attention. Why talk with social media?
about this.
Kekere, when no worry that lie, saga pretender. What talk? You see, I say to Ohua, you're a liar. When we worry sending azana, worry talk. Kekere, ekwemwe. Oveke bonoma negbe. Ekwemwe, uwi alaja no adogbizi, udo mwegbe no ayagbizi. Umwegbe. Mwegbe no dole Lizzy we saga because Lizzy hewe. All right? And then we no talo, no me talo, no do talo efo. Wa. Va boy la wegbe. Ekia slave. Ekia slave wa biele yo wa manwina ne kwemu. Iwa nwina manwina. Ekia slave. Ekia slave. Gemani we ekia slave. Ya biele yo to. Ekia magia bebo de. Yenji wina ya tota yo wa. Ina what is they call her frustrated goddaughter. When mama no answer, where they find attention, they go for other people's place. You they find big fish. Ugboloke big fish or kwakwayo we o. O kyan kwakwayo na ya izegbuwe. Ya izegbuwe. Iwa bomu wa o. When I gizi gwagmezi gwati. When you don't even know how to talk in English. Now what bejua. Now what bejua. Ya izegbuwe. Umewe sagre 50 minutes. Una ahiyon fwen vemila. Vemila. Wa beo. Iva botsa viva bogbi o sameru erende luwe. Wa ho hoa. Una no tiewe. Una we me wa ho hoa. You're a liar. You bloody fucking liar. What I said was, go watch that video. 27 minutes. Forward that video to 27 minutes. In a way, only everyone. I said it because of a reason. Runtawe, the Bazi, now make me come beat Naomi because of you. Where? Kekere, Elete, Runtawe, the Bazi, because I don't want to put you joiner. I don't want to add you. I hear record about you, you dirty pig. Ekia slave, what biele yo wamajin winner. Your mates are working, you couldn't work because of Bola. Because of Bola, you are not working. I'm a mother, I'm at home, I'm taking care of my children. Lie. Ekebo amnyekebo maya winner. Uma winner wawe kebo. You're fucking. You couldn't go to work. You're looking for big fish like me, right? Ugwale big fish, uboleke big fish, okyan kwakwa yowe o. Oh, kwakwa yowe o. Ugwalizi, face easy. I didn't talk to you. I said it on this video, including Monica name. I call Monica. I said anybody, I mention your name on this video. Sorry, it's not saga. Ina we goddaughter. Ina we Naomi do aninye goddaughter. Nini goddaughter one. Ina we guyo. Instantly, I apologize. Erede no bing. Erede so da. Erede no bing. Umana ye school me one. Do gwazebo me one. Ah? Uhohua. wa filu gbe geman in Italy. Iwa bomu wa abuma Italy ne Italy e na zerere. Wa zwari ugiari ya kon geman in Italy. Iwa bomu wa o. Azana. Akekere. Va boy lawe bo awe saga. Ya we kunyomi oto. Ugwalu boleke a big fish in him, a big fish him. Ugoloke big fish kwa yo we oni wa bola we gbe wa gbon. Uzaga. Do you not know the meaning of instant apology? Are you crazy? Edoze maze boere no gbin. Erere soda. I didn't insult you. I did. I said, oh, that one. She doesn't even have sense. I'm sorry. I apologize immediately, you bloody bastard. If you not go school, you not get brain. I be yes in education, and they say they get proper understanding. Are you mad? Are you mad? Ekia slave, how dare you? Oma Yahweh is a goddaughter. Ute when lajani do bujuero gbina boa. Wari yokoe. Atizi be sagana. Weru we sagana. Igbina ketive lolo. Weru gori egbe you we wa gbe o. Gwale ke no ana tie born a godmother we utie ne de to atie ne. Egba man wa lari e wa lari o zangi jouer. Do atie ni jouer utie ni jouer. Utie ni jouer. Ugwale man o la jan do gbi jouer no ya poboyo. Iba bomu wa abi ogun gbo. Usaga. Ni yare social media na we ni menu no lolo de. Na gbe no ma gbu na gbe na gboa. Wa saga. Ye gbu e. Don't ye born easy. Easy agbu e ya gbu e. Azana. Ekekere wa gbe o like you. Kuwe kare a blog ni muweni ya hohua. I didn't talk to you, you bloody bastard. I call Monica. I call Lolo. Uwe, I can't say if una did this video, mona no verse, not be saga. I just want clear the air. I said Lolo and Kate are not telling us the truth. Make this saga come up for grant. Because I know the record when Naomi take gossip you, Azana, I listen to her. I see that, I listen to that record. Now me come and say, this goddaughter, so, why was she trusting Naomi with her godmother's issue? That's why I say you not get sense. And you know what? On this video, 27 minutes video where I do that day, instantly I apologize. No gumbuwe. No zaga wagbon. Awoke bono ma anegbe. Uma he therapy there. No ya book a session do gwaloma no agugwa. You bloody bastard. Una ya trusty Jue. She is confused exactly. I didn't talk to her. Honestly. She's looking for big fish. You like big fish. Oh, kwakwayo. Ero gbina gboa. Ute we ni do tie body lolo gun gboe. Ni yare Facebook na we mi lolo sweni me de. We hin lolo sweni me de. Ni do gbe godmother we wa asa no mana gbiju e. We ge no na iju o mari eri we. Amari eri we. Egwe no mama. Uje mani re social media ya zije tu ho. You were clapping for them when they were imagine Lolo at that time, right, was doing saga a lot with people they don't even know. UK people. If you need go and take care of your children. Say less, they take your children. You are smoking Igbo. When I hear my video as a godmother, etu ho do my ho. Ekia slave, are you mad? I am proud of what I can do with my vagina. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you mad? Uwe yogo we ya biele. Yogo me ya riege. Uwe kia slave, you are not working. You are that from where at home. You couldn't work because of that. Imagine when I'm taking care of my children at home. In wina kiamuwe. In wina kiamuwe mighty winner. I want to be ya kwewe ho amawe so wo. Egbono na no ho ana. No machine winner. Wa nweke bobo wa. Oh, we make a slave. I am proud of what I can do with my toto uzwa. Single mother kedo a marry young guy. Ute wa okeka nene ya lomea. Umeme. Abume ho dege the power of a woman who hoje. Uzwa. Ve Dangote we oni se Dangote na re social media. E ho money se Dangote social media. Abiera ma se Dangote iba bomu wa o. Iba bomu wa o. E u he se no ni se Dangote na re social media. Iba u gbe o. E bonu gbe mu kiani no rento wa bebe. No ma hebe na ya do wa ere webo. Why you wa proud in Nigeria o wa danu bo. O wa na yin akia dollar yati we nu rigore. E renti ro wa nu bo in Nigeria iba bo ugbe o. Ugbe o abi tu yo bo we tu go we yere. Rent dey house where you build for Nigeria. The zinc spoil they go call you. Money where rent they pay where they go. Where they go? Azua u de mansion yeko. Eh? Oh, I a big fish. Zara. Azana. Agmon. Don't you born is here? It's a boy. Man, wait 15 minutes video. Why he on? Oh, go boy. Oh, go boy. Bisa go mware yo wo. Zara. A big fish of boy. Go look a big fish of kwakwayo we. Ah, gwale no gbiju e. Ero gbin agboa. Agbeo. Zaga. Okay, bono the guest bag. Wow, Zaga. Guess. Can't even visual. Guess. Umeme. The lowest, the highest bag we guess they say it 200 pounds. It need two visual. The doy Zaga dabu. Gwale no gweg bije. Rock bina boa. Wa Zaga. Wa Zaga. Ekia slave. Ekia slave. My total day social media so. Do you know how much Dangote what? His ass was on social media. Billionaire. Richest man in Africa. You bloody bastard. Ignorant. Umana gwaze bwerere weregmi. Abiti aye so dark be werere. Is he don't know how to read, don't know how to write. You can't even speak proper English. Everybody they call me. Easy, can't translate what she talk. Easy, can't talk the English. Easy, can't talk the English. Easy, what she they talk. Ugbe o. Gwale big fish o kwakwayo we o. Ogun gbo abianka bi tu Zaga. Ugbe o. Ugbe o. Umani nu do gbe ye platform me. Umani, o se na woman we. Ye gbe ya gwalo make I didn't talk to you bloody bastard. Uma not here we. Una know where Bianca talk. Ma no say Bianca, say nerissima. Say nera. Non è nera come me, però tu you know which one. Dark devil now you be. Dark one. You're a liar. Iyak boya we a big fish. Hey bue. Yeah, bue. You know the way they call everybody, they talk about your husband to them. Eddie boele. Eddie boele. Eddie boele. Azana. Abi agwa. Wa gwale no gwan wo bere iwa bomu wa o a big fish of boy. A big fish of boy. Boloke big fish of kwakwa yo wo eh. God bro, where him go and brush your teeth before you talk to me. They do a zebo you win in a video. When I go, I said, do, oh way. I do me zena. Ko ya zebo by how on ye. Easy like say it's better than everybody. You bewa. It matter better say way. It matter ma say way. When I go to ne seti go. Yeah, when you do a translate bonus, me bonus here. Iha asana asaga rock bina boa gwale no gwe bijue. Wa gbeo everyone now we god daughter godmother umae na do go we bijue rock bina boa. Veni wala jan we deri that say lolo you are crazy. Lolo you are the bad person. Lolo you are a liar. Wa nwe fanta wo we liar bun we nya wa ohuwa. Wa ohuwa wa gbon. Wa ohuwa. Nu yare social media na nu yare godmother we me lolo sweni me de. We me sweni me de. E mi mo gwan ye mo en. Imi me o gwan ye me lolo. O me sweni me de te me de. If o teme me you we e sweni me. E swe. Okay, boy. Go and listen to it. See, she make me go to watch my video again. I say, why is she looking for me? You're looking for big fish? You bloody bastard, you looking for me? Ogboloke big fish kwa your way. You're crazy. Izzy Agbuero, do you Agbuero, dear? Or where they are Dizzy? Is she a baby? She's in Switzerland. I live in the UK. Are you mad? Are you mad? You taking the milk, you bloody bastard. You think she's a kid? She's over 40. She's over 40. Ogun boy, what are you bulletin in Okwe here? Zaga. She's covering for Easy. Like kill all of una, both of those useless fake accounts we don't know where they pay. No work bell. Me covering for Easy. Me. Because of Bianca. Now put you journal because who are. Runda way, I hear record when Naomi say they gossip you. I don't want to talk your name. Now put Easy for front. Because Easy too did that record. Including you. I talk her for this video. I say, Nini Odwateni goddaughter, because you don't get sense. You listen to the video. You just hear goddaughter. You were expecting me to insult your mother. You were expecting me to insult your ex-godmother. That was what you were expecting. You dive rock. You dive rock. Wa gbeno mak boe. Wa gbeno mak boe. No mak bokyan boe. On this video, I call Monica name. I say anybody name I call for this video, Mona not verse, not be saga. Mona watch after I do this live video finish. Mona tell me we are for Toto Kekere. Mona tell me all those useless bloggers, including useless Aproko, when not watch this video. You go put nonsense for the top. Everybody's applauding her for standing up for her. So she's a pretender. If you listen to the record of her, you gonna say she's a pretender. Agbinwe. No ya ninje. Aboy muwao. Why when you not be maybe not your godmother is a similar position to your own mother. That's what godmother mean. We're marrying a ya godmother, goddaughter. Whenever you hear man in social media as a godmother, uho hua. Umami Rosie page. No ya as a godmother. Emmanuel saga. Iye mwe pishe e mori ye zagawa. Iye mwe nanari ye zagawa ya as a godmother. Uhuda. Gwaloma dano ya as a godmother. E ba fire n'gwale no do gbijuenwe. I matter. On this video, what I do that day, including Monica name was called, Lola name was called, Kate, my friend, I will call her, right? Her name was here. Kate not like that video when I do. You know what? I didn't care. I said the truth not they come from here. The truth not they come from here. Una rest. You both are lying. E Kate toge. O se me Kate kin. Oge re me kosa we sagana mi oge neta. E lolo toge. Ina imala kemi ni hona. E sagana wa mwen yotori. No vere. Odi maba zana ore na zana umwebe. Ya ise bue. But police here bue odo ya bue de tian. Is here finishing a lao. Ogun here bue. Ogun bue. Imatie bonwe. Wa gwali zie obuzie. Omanotie wona kama she said, weti ho me wetu ho when no ho when no mini veto. Ugwazebo, ugwazedo, urebe, uderu awi gai, ogun boya. Ugwale big fish no aya solakon. Emi nu ha shawo me bi shawo boya. Emi nu ha shawo me bi shawo boya. Oh boya. Abeke no dele yo mo he ko kharaya wo hu. Ugbe ogun boya. We ma wene na shawo ba bo boya na mwebo. Isi ogun boya. Wana mwebo. Nene bonoma seti dowa no rent ni jo. Iva bomu wa o. Uwoni ya we poleke ruda we tie bo ya we sago ogun boya. Ogun boya. U defe wa azana. Ashawo wana mwa shawo yi. Emi nu ha shawo mi boya. Ekia no la ho shawo boya. O boya. Emi na shawo mi bi se shawo boya. U me me a. U gwalo me, iwa pomu wa o. U gwale big fish fish here. A big fish, you like a big fish or whack con. Azaga good boy. Instantly, I apologize. In a woman when we are ninja women now, me ba boy muao. And listen to the record, you bloody bastard. Os in a woman when instantly I apologize. Umemi no instantly. Umemi lare. There are English classes in Italy. While you zag man in Italy, I don't boy by. Italiana you won't have hotel we bona. While you zag man in Italy, I don't boy by. Ya don't boy. Ute when you la jani don't bourgeois gon kia boy. O gon moi boy na. Ijo a boy o dia boy le dia. Asana boloko bifish o kwa yo we o. Enashe enu nu ha shawo mi bisa shawo boy. Wana dadebo abino numu. Wana mwe morokino. Wana mwe morokino eskuna mwe. Eskunu na ya gahe euna morokino numu a ohua. Ewo ya ninyi jweme na omi. Ena woman wa. It's time unapologetically. Emina sunu between you and your godmother. You tell a neutral person. Neutral. Who doesn't know her or know her. Know your godmother or know you. Maybe know you, but they don't know your godmother. You explain to them. Una ya hamo kiroke varie. O kiroke vare na aro we yobo. O idievo gwa ya tamiju o idievo hijo ya tamonona. O se na wani oni. Ina we eme godmother. Uma ya dame e video na. Nudo we sorry ge easy. Ekia queen. I am the king of all ekia, including your husband ekia. Ekia nuni monya. I own that dick you're fucking in your house. Mine. I am the queen of all dicks. The queen of all dicks. Menon. Including that one where you put for us. That tiny one where you put for us. Monya. Ekia slave, you couldn't go to work. You're not working, you bloody bastard. Yang ekia at home. Yang ni gonna canu guave. Why ya biele wa holo? I am a housekeeper. A boy, you work for you don't have a backbone. Even if it's 4 hours a day. Go start working. Go start working. Yang winner. Bell, bonoke big fish or hey! Oh, when she's blocking for Izuk Bewa. Umizi here Sagana. Now Kate and Lolo they fight. On that video, I say hashtag Kate, hashtag Lolo. Who is misunderstanding? Who and what is misunderstanding the issue? We know what did happen. I then inside you so kekere. I listen to your voice record. No ya ninjwe boy. I hate nonsense. Wow. If I dare your side that day, if I not there day, me and Kate na paddy. I do video. Kate not like her. You know what? I say the truth. She understands. I know the truth. The truth is not coming out. Una do they use social media people, including me, say they play. I say, Mama, I don't do. Lolo, don't do. Kate, don't do. Moku rest. Kate say, I see waiting their post say, Lolo, they come out on Friday. One contour. It's all lies. Nothing they there, including Kate. Mona rest for this saga. It don't reach. I like correct saga. Kate, Lolo, you don't do. Now your goddaughter want beat, so no use your saga cover road. No use that. I want beat. Ya ikata mo wa ya agwan. Iko igba. We agbi me. Tun yu kiage we woto. Mi agbo we ko igba. O igba. Ya o no toge by muoge bawe. But he toge. Yeti muoge bawe. Ugboloke big fish of boy. Ugboloke big fish of boy. Oh boy, who are you carry down iko igba? I be blogger ne gbe ma ho ki am video we no mama. I be blogger ne gbe ma ho. Yeah, she's getting a win. I'm so happy she's standing up for herself. Although a pretender. Pretender. Quiet people always quiet to the end. Crazy people are crazy. Unapologetically. She's a pretender. She's pretending. If the friend want follow and beat him, my dog been a boy. Hop lala. So, even lawegbe. Wa gbe do agume tiama ni mate like uzaga. Uzaga. Oma unwa na ko la okere kere. Ola di odo ri ami yawa. Ewe nya ya do atama we ni do translate bono mama no se. Me do mezena. Ya mwe do yo to bena tempo mu. Po uzedo zebodan. Agwe teacher no sebo wa do gwe sebo wa saga. Wow. I did video one day. I was telling people English is a borrowed language. Don't use it to mock anybody. Because you know what? It's a borrowed language. Even if our first language in Nigerian is English, you bloody bastards. Yeah, you didn't know. You didn't know. Who colonized Zona? British. And your first language is what? English. Speak it. Idiots. Idiots. Uwisi gwagwati ina buwe ade. Isi agwewo de agwewe. Dishu agwewo de agwewe tian. When is your saga yon tauri ni no gune buwe. Ni yika bolo woni sani no bari yo. Bolo ke bifisho buwe. Ya buwe koi ba. Wa saga. Ashawo. Ekia slave. Ekia slave. You are not working. You are ekia at home. You are not working. Benu kere se no amwe kia no sewe. Benu twain seni. Wa amwe kia no sewe bo wa imagine winner. Imagine winner ma sati winner wa amwe kia. Ekia slave wa biele and taking care of my children. Wa ya bie. Wa bie ya ziolo de ya wo he. Ya ziolo ya ziolo de kebo winner ya ziolo de ya wo he. Ya ziolo de ya. Tu mwekia. U kare ekia. You are not a care slave. You are burning. You are pretending you can't work. You are taking care of your children. You are a woman calling another woman a care slave when you have a dick at home. You bloody bastard. You're ignorant. You are ignorant. Omana mana yesku emenwe. Omana egwazebu emenwe. Azaga azana kekere wa beo bianka ogun buwe. Ya tie me denwe. Idenwe. Mewe sage 50 minutes wa hiyon ya ize buwe wa mieme bobe azaga gwalo mekia abeo gian dio zange mani Italia idedo buwe bani idedo buwe ugwazedo umeme wa sebo no magba wa zitali no magba uzedo edo mezena iwa ikomagba we ni zedo na Ikomagba, niko gba you on gwale no gwe gbijo agbena gboa. Up lolo. Up godmother. What saga? You not let me do a small. I come out. Saga where they grand so. Now me not the inside. Kate easy hair not the inside. You not the inside. You want poor body? Oh wahwe be yon wahwa. O gwale ke no na ro ije mami. Oya gbene ye fe kakanti wo doni leti cover nisi I ogun buwe e no ma kawa ya sino we o ayo fi bon sine wati nu jo ama kenzi we sagana ama kenzi. Nobody came out to tell these women to stop. That's why I came out and said, Lola, enough please mommy, enough. Kids, mama, it don't do, a beg. We are not hearing the truth in this saga. Both of you know it don't do. May we rest. Azana put herself, oh. Azana put herself. Kekere, he put herself. He went inside all that way. All that. He wants me to come out before me come the cause Lola. Lola is the trouble. Lola is problem. Lola is this. Lola, leave Kate alone. Lola, stay away. What bell? Again, what bell? Again, what saga? Boloke be fish or kwakwa we. O denwe. Wa lajam ya lajam ya ise buwe. Wa mina me weti kokibi we. Wa nemwa. Ike le social media na iri kwivina kyoyo nisan. Wunda we gon boy. Is this acting like she's better than everybody? Utu. Everybody have their own personality. Stop measuring presenters. Stop it. Stop comparing us. Stop it. You can't not pursue anybody enter us. because Lolo and Monica for don't enter us. If it possible, say Mona Posho the enter us. Yeah, if I la one.
We've got an emergency here. I'm about to change back.
Go ahead. I can take
Wa yo kwera gbon gbeluwa. Ogun gbeluwa wa owa. Tawanu wa kula wa nyefun eti totana. Eti me wa galanti na geti. Geti iri baya ma wetu wa ku me la wa. Wa ya wa tani. Gon gbo ebi an ka wa zaga. Is your con when agbe cause you know what you are easy do. You know what you are easy do. Why big fish ya lo the boloke big fish or kwakwa yo wo heni. Oh kwakwa yo wo heni no emeke na we kia because we kia slave. E wan e kia slave mama ni dinya we kia community. Mama ni dinya wu heni gbini gwa mo kia. Ah awo boni gwa mu igo wa gwa mu kia wa ohua. Wa gwa mu kia denu wa hijevo. Unwina ekia gwa mu wa tota yo wozuo be bani. Utota ebo mari €50 no enu rie bae. Ah? Agbe ogwa no boy in Nigeria no keke mo pishola jana ge. Iya variant yo. Snow zinki awu ado wenu dodole yi. Anona sunu awo dodole uje peye ni no gwa no bo. Ogwa no je 1 million naira ya bo. Uye zero yacht today. Your useless house. Why you not buy house for Italy one a day there? A rent igboe. Udogwa. Ude. I build that in Nigeria. I build that rent there the asshole. It go spoil don't say me you can't repair them. Join millions where you take build that. It go say spoil don't say me you can't repair them. Bloody bastard. Everybody's calling me. Can you tell me what she's saying? I don't understand her English. Need to translate in every social media. I never talk to you. I talk to you here. I apologize instantly because of the record the way you take go they talk about your mama to Naomi. I said that was wrong. She not guessing. Is she young? Is she a baby? She not guessing. I not say you be small picking or anything. I say you not guessing. Instantly I apologize. Oh yeah, meta. Ima we to ho. Babanania inarine tu ho. Wari gwebe sagana Mario at you where? Amave TZ. Amave tiamaro pa akwa ye. I'm here attention seeker. Laro do the attention will be big fish no kwakwa yo we o. Ogun ogboe. Sakpana unware yo werere wa saga. Ewe azana gwagbon gwati ogioma. When gwagbon gwati we gioma. It will not be juju be that. You not sabi write, you not sabi read, but you the last person. Common grammar, you know fit speak, you know fit talk, put together, right? And common English, right? You know fit put together. And our first language for Nigeria na English. We know say English na borrowed language, but why you the last person when it dey your body? Why? Why? If let's say I'll come out now, come the last single mothers. When me born, first man when I born for, it's nowhere to be found. I'll come out, come the last single mothers. I'm their advocate. I am their advocate. You should be advocate for people who can talk English. And tell them nobody should laugh anybody. Gimenia, I don't know how to speak English, but you know what? You don't have to laugh anybody. English does not measure. Does not measure your wisdom. It doesn't. English is a tiny thing. It doesn't tell how much intelligent you are. English is bullshit. But you not sabi speak. You not sabi read or write. You can't the laugh person. Not be juju be that Bianca. Ya gbe. Ya una di mejo. Iswenye Monica we video. No me Monica we video. Iswenye lolo. Me video ane lolo uwa. But why na ke move am why? I apologize to you instantly. We were only me why. Egui ola oya so ni we mana e oge saga egui. I apologize instantly. Instantly. Are you mad? You wanna see me see wahala o. Wage Bianca boloke bi fish agbo egbe. Ogbo uwe aladianu do te bonizi tienizi ni saga na make na taboto. O wa cover agijue. Because if you win we saga dey Friday. Oh, wa cover ni e na ijo awe sagare na. Oh, wa cover when ijo e biegbe ni vio bonu e. Ni vio bonu e. Ima go we gun a. Uma are video na. Uwa onuri egbe wejo. Gwala tension men. Gwale big fish. Ugboleke big fish ukwa your wohe. Big fish bone. It go block your kwekus. It go block. Can you see kwekus we bola no fe they enter before? A big fish bone go block her even more. You're mad. So what were you saying? You not build house. You never yet buy house for abroad. How many times did they go Nigeria a year? When last did you went home? When last you never hear investments for where you they live? Where economy is more stable. You never hear before. Huh? Say when last you go Nigeria, go do visit. The country where you they visit. Not be say you want to relocate. When you want to relocate, then you invest. A year or two before, you go to that country and see things and go continuously like 4 to 5 times a year just to make sure things are all right. Because nobody tell us. Nobody give us that education. We don't know. Many of you now, for 10 years, now only once now don't go ask. 5 years, only once. How do you go to check your property? 5 years, you not go. How? Once in 5 years. Once in 7 years. Is that a property? Is that a property? Tell me. But if you have it here, if you get £100,000 for abroad, you can buy a house, renovate it and rent it out. And you'll be getting money every month. Even if you have 50,000, right? There are some houses that are cheap. You buy them, you renovate it and rent it out. And you're making money. So you now they use house where you build, where you they visit once in 10 years. Take the galavant. The house will be say tenants day. Where you go spoil, they go chop tenant money. Say me you bring money, join and make the city repair the house. No be juju be that. If you're talking about house, like those one where they don't jazzy, they buy for Lagos, where it be like similar way of building house for abroad. I get it. I'll be like, yeah, come and post the picture, make we see. If not that one. No cockroach houses. Me that my boy, give me my boy. What? But my own one at the way put it. My own.
And put it on your sweater. It'll make it less horrible.
Oh, thank you.
I'm at 115 minutes. Oh, you know. I tell you. Hey, Castle. Hey, Castle. Hey, Castle. Yeah, take it for easy. Yeah, cover for easy. What bell? What cover for easy? What can see with Sagana? What can wear with Sagana? What are you be way as an Google no bushweno? Yeah, buefo. Yeah, is a bue. Where is the yon? Yeah, what fell away. I only saw when it 20 and what fell away. What bell? You gonna body you know yari ebe ya de to do e kuwe ke jinsi nujo udo yo re social media wa figbe wa be go ma umeme we not dey guest bag ya we say no ma na me we ubowa una dali express ya we say na me to bowa me do una wo ma gbon we hin beni me na ka stay ke bone. I know all beds are not roses. I know. I lived in Italy for over 5 years. I lived there. That man buy you put for house. He buy you put for house. No be a shower you go come dey impress. You cannot impress a shower. A shower get a shower. A shower where they Italy before. You want to impress me? I can say Italy. It back by 5 years of Italy. Italy now you own ramoto man. He buy you put for house. He buy you. If you fuck up, then go throw where you go outside. Collect picking from you. And you know if you go court, go fight. You know why? You don't have a backbone. You're not working. You're not stable. They see you as baby making machine. You are there to make babies for him and satisfy him sexually. And you're mocking another woman for being a dick slave. I work, I earn my own money, I took care of my daughter. So, the bastard when I born her for, enough he chased me. You understand? I don't care how much he have. His level, take me to court. I have a backbone, my home, I'm working, I have everything. You name it. Wait till they get life. Take me to Oyibo go take you to court now. Now only rapper you go get a go court. Go fight for Pikin. You not get money. You not get house. You not get backbone. You not get work. If Oyibo never give you, you not the shop. You are talking to me. You are talking to me where they buy put for house. You are talking to me. You are talking to super strong single fucking mother. Why if you go anywhere? Say na me they talk. Enter courthouse. Enter anywhere. E cannot see me you are here. When I demo you wa. Ebo afi we for ban uri mi ro pala yon ware. Omari go no ri e. Usigo koko ya de you my hair. You are talking to me. You are talking to me. When I pay car insurance here. When I the credit card here. I spend the what pay you every month. Do you know? Anywhere in rock babo wani. You are talking to me. Your name did anything. Do you even drive at all? Okembo. Oboke son. Wefi motoa. Wefi motoa. Oboku seragmo. Wefi moto. Zaga. Ebo ma kiwi na rene o Jackie. Ebo ma kiwi na rene o Yawe shopping. Umeme. Ebo ma rene ujo ya tujwe. Ebo ma dekadi yo we phone uji wina. Eti tijwe tie godmother we UK. Okosomari kadi yo we phone. Umeme. Ebo ma we shopping yo wa ku we komo aro ame. Ujo agume bo umeme. Iba bo muwa o. Agbeo. Ebo idi go no se koko ke deto. Because ebo mu go no no do hemu yo wane. Neni go no mu no ya bowa. Uya bowa no mama we Nigeria no karakwa. Uya boy ne. Ebo don't have any other obligation to give you money. Udabo. Pasa avere 50 euro. Ebo we enye mari e 10 euro no de. Ube gwale 50 euro me. You dey ask, you do dabo. You do dabo. To a go single mother go me chest ya make eti la. Imani dok bi ari yekeme ike like ropa. Umeme agbinwe. Azaga tolo udare woni vab ya gay because of a level ni me. Ya vabijua o phone na overwe. Udi yo zangare single mother u beoa. Udi yo zangia ni ritale udi yo kwa. Iba bomu wa. Ebo mari go no panyo ware. Umeme wo kembo no we business. No keto. Umamiya easy keto. O cash out every month. O cash out. Yari eva Bete ege ya nebuego. O keto. O dunga. O mwe katone makeup. O kiyo. Who are you, Wavani? Every time you dab, posso avere 10 euro, posso avere 50 euro. E poi, uma muhene boneri gonue, umemea, umerito sakebo. Doma no mamwe bono, no gari taline boma mwegona, udio kwa. Uhe ya nebuego, ufoke yo keri gonue. E kwa riyen yori gonue. When he's happy, you sit on his dick, his bola. Is happy, he gives you money. Right? We are the same team, my sister. Uta no mu wa mu me. Umama sene, cause uhuwe we ya rego wo we bonu jeva. Huwe bone is not happy. Abute we mama O come wa vigian in Italio. Erio zage man in Italy ya do bue bai. Ya wa do bue bai. Umeme, o makekenu we agwan ma agwan, shut up. You are in your husband's house, you are still prostituting with your husband. He fuck you and give you money. Are you mad? Well, you will not 5 days a week. If we go me. Every month he total anyana. You go a day I can't be. It's on a pay B man. It's on a one. It can insurance is some for. Nene insurance, house rent. Oh no. Where even a pay B eh? Where I see go what then we are webo. Agbinwe. Zana. What we got zana o. Oh boy. Akekere. Umeme. Israel where nobody should stress. Israel winner. Agwa win of NHS. or cash out every month. Or when I part-time or one day which she's cashing out. You are sit there begging Oyibo for money. And damn me 10 euro. Oyibo not give you 10 euro, you not come out for us. Ebo marine no do you moto mu work by your worry. If I bomb wow. Ya son you with moto bazoom ba. Imane di ni tip you see me where half they come out for us. Oh me me. Oh me. Or double making. I'm officially social media housewife. Okay. Wagwana bua. No, vie mo wa. Vie mo. Koke mo veniana. We your leve. Your koke mo. Your husband not the help and she they do everything. Because they do because they don't buy you put for us. Slave. You be slave. Ne, we are tinyai. Negro. C'est la negro. But what that for where? You're the one cooking. You're the one taking care of the children. You're the one washing the yard. You're a slave in your own home. You think it's your home. Uzara. Why you better money lele black ya? Umemea. Edi ozangi wo gawo wokembo. Edi ozangi wa wokembo ni egbo ebae. Edi ozangi wa wokembo. Not disrespect to people who marry Oyibo wives so. You dey craze. Abimamia you are Oyibo wife in our social media ni fimoto. Ni me driving license. Ni winner. Even if it's 2 hours a day. They do it just to be strong. Nonsense. Fanculo di merda. They talk to me. Ekia slave, I'm better than you. I am better than you. I know they do prostitution for my house. You, they do a shower for your ass. You, they fuck before your husband give you money. If you not give an toto, you are not getting money. We know the story. They crazy. Because I quiet, they look you, they mad. You they mad? Like you. I talk to you. You enter this video, your name did this video. I talk to Lolo and Kate, you yesterday they die. Lolo saying do ye, Kate saying do ye, you know, do saga. He say no do saga. Maybe if Lolo do video finish today, that's the end of it. It go come out for ground, that's it. We'll face another saga. Me and your saga go continue. Me and your own go continue. Come out and cut to Easy. Easy will beat you and I'll come out and beat you too. I'll come out and beat you too. If this matter concern you, you'll say, yeah, boué. Yeah, boué. Ila than Naomi, it was because of you and Easy. The way she tell you on her head, say knock for well all of day. It was irritating me. We again about all night. He used on her head knock. Easy and Lolo, not they talk today. It's Naomi. You and your mama quarrel. It's Naomi. It's her. It never concern me and you. Now the things where you go they give and I say only ekwe me when egwio la o egwio. Ya teni we video na ogezo. Una ya ka mama not say where we wait to our ho. O agele ho because the man wait to our ho the video ni. Imata ho gwale big fish in waya lote. O gboloke big fish o kwakwa yewe o. O memea, it go where go. People they hate you, useless fake accounts, and all those stupid people. I didn't talk to you. You were not in this video. Not be only your name I mentioned for this video. Are you mad? You're forming victim, a victim of boy. A victim of boy. I am now your nightmare and your predator. Yeah, predator way. Yeah, predator way. When I want more, you hear me. When I want more, when you get 20, I am when I go away. I'm way. Go away. Oh, meme. It was when Sagana, serious one. Serious one. I felt tell now before anybody come for me, I'm coming for you. It might not be that day where you say make I come for you. Enough will be that day. I'll give you 2 days. Maybe you take breathe. Go see your video where they post. They don't post more video. Don't cover and down. Because saga is come and go. I say saga king. It's turn by turn. You want to put yourself inside. Do you have the backbone to do it? Do you have it? Yeah, Sagawe. Your God, your mama keep you quiet since she don't want to talk to you. You do 3 video. I was have always get where you just defend where to insult. She was once your comfort when you need to talk. Mommy this, mommy that, this, that, including her. You were all the same. That's why she keep you quiet. She don't want to talk to you. Because of what you not share in the past. Even if she did tell some people, but she's not coming out in public to talk to you. You they do 3 video. Enough. They not call you for this matter. Remove yourself. Uriye boele. Uriye boele. You don't do 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, 4 video. I not say the one where you do because of me. Now your godmother pepper body and Easy pepper body, now they do you. I am not fighting for Easy. I am defending my own self. Because inside that saga, me they. Now because of me, now make Okiro, they fight Easy. Because of me. That was why I came out and said I want to clear the air. Naomi, not be Easy tell me man stay away from you. Now me. I know they lie, I know they pity Toto fucking. If na Easy, I'll talk and say na Easy tell me make her stay. It wasn't her. I backed off. I stayed away. I stayed away. I come out. Oh, you think say the way Lolo do for Kate's marriage. I come out, come talk to Lolo. You think say this saga, as I say hashtag Kate, hashtag Lolo. I was coming to insult Lolo. Ogmohian buwe. No way say no gwina boa. Because Lolo not do anything. Everybody talk for that marriage. Anybody who care to know say this was a happy day. You don't need to do that video. I talk, but I come out there. I not tell Lolo say you dey mad, you dey crazy, you dey bobo cigar, you dey this. I talk the way I want to talk. I enter us. You were expecting me to come insult Lolo. Now God go punish you. Now God now go punish you. That your long mats. This small feather where you don't they grow, so they go help you break on. They go break on for you. You they craze. I wish you not talk for this matter now for suffer day, my lane. I'll suffer day. If I get to come talk to Lolo, I talk to Lolo. If I don't want to talk to Lolo on my own, you don't see Lolo mention my name for this Facebook before. She talks to me with parable. I called their name because it not concern me. It not concern me. I didn't take it personal. You were so expecting. Oh, she can't cost Lolo. Oh, ero gbina boa. No way say na okian bunwe nya. Wah. She was once your godmother. Respect that and off your live video. I don't like nonsense. Lolo, whether they talk, say she perfect? No. Is she good? No. She's not. Off your video. Off it. You are not caught in this issue. She was once, do you know the meaning of a godmother? Ijena so deze. Not the one that chose you, but the one you chose. They are sometimes more powerful than your biological mother. Because you chose them for a specific reasons. You choose them for a specific reason. Lizzy, you're on over too much. Now you sabi, oh. Now you sabi. I know they find who not find me. All right? I know they find who not find me. You listening to me? I not talk to her. Go and listen to the video, 24 minutes video. 27 minutes. Move on back a bit when he did 26 and 30 seconds. Read, listen to her from there. Nadia for thought to her, that one said no even get sense. No verse, so sorry, I beg. If I talk to you for this video, no verse, no be saga, I beg. I apologize instantly. She knows, say she don't really get sense. Because she was trusting Naomi with her godmother issue. She wasn't supposed to do that. She wasn't supposed, if your mama do something, you they give her face to face, say, Mommy, I don't like this thing where you do. I don't like him at all. I don't like him. You go to where your godmother or you go to discuss him to another person. Do you know the meaning of a godmother? Like I said before, there are most of the times more powerful than your own mother because you chose them. Our mama now for Nigeria, we not chose them. They just born us like this. Why? We can't choose them. They fuck up, they do all nonsense, but we are there. Say, Mama wahala too much. But your godmother, you chose her for a specific reason. She stands for you. She's there for you. You call her in times of need. You enter more to go meet her. She comforts you. She talks to you. Everything. Right? Yes. Dog mother. You are right. Near social media. Because anybody who gets sense not go use anybody for social media do godmother. Nobody. Tell me who rich for this social media. I talk and say now frustration carry everybody on this social media. One or two things they pursue you, they go. Ekia they pursue me, they go. Where I go? Live video. Ekia they pursue me, they go like this. This Ekia don't too much show. I need to contact them for Facebook, make they join me. So you can't use me do social media godmother. Now you know the shame. You're useless. You think you're better than her? You're worse. When you see the work she was doing on media, you see how they were destroying people's image. You see how they were. They were the area scatter of social media. You open your eye, use that do godmother. And now you are coming out to cry when they not even beat you, when they not talk to you, when they not call you. Are you mad? Not be juju be that. I even come, I was because of you and Easy. Now make me do that video where I take call out Naomi. Where I take call Naomi out. People go, they come and say, Easy, you know they carry phone, you know they carry phone. I know they carry phone. Where till we want to talk? Why? Why are you looking for me? Look for friends near you. No social media. We are all bullshitters. We are all bullshitters. I tell you guys all the time. We're not perfect. We come camera and do face I say we fine. When plates they kitchen we will never wash. Shut up your mouth and keep yourself to yourself. If you just need to talk, say something there, your mind, sometimes some people, they call me, my sex life. I get it. I talk about sex life. Me and you talk, I tell you the one why they do. Full stop. Don't trust me with your life, your issue, your this, your that. Keep it to yourself. Have you heard of a therapist before? Book a session. Pay for it. And talk to them. Book a session. Even the one we say marry Igbo wife, you go they confide in Naomi. You not tell your husband may pay for this thing for you. May you go talk to somebody, therapist. May you book session, go talk to somebody. And marry Igbo by force or Igbo nonsense or Igbo where you marry nonsense. Rubbish, nonsense, idiotic, rubbish. You dey craze. You social media people they do confident. You know the shame. You know the shame. Social media people, really? When they don't tire for inside, they find one share their frustration, they come social media. Huh? I do the bola do. Why I not just say my ass, but I come out. Because I want to share them with other people. It's my frustration. So why women not they enjoy sex? Why not say una no wet? Why you say if you are circumcised, you can't enjoy it? You can go to the hospital if you were overcut, they go reverse them for you. You can reverse it and get a new clitoris. You see Chantel got a new clitoris. And she's pregnant now. Congratulations to you, Chantel. Amazing woman. Because sometimes, if they overcut your clitoris, it they affect childbirth. Go and reverse your clitoris and let it hear what? You can enjoy sex. Now take comments. Wait till they pursue me, they go, ekia kumekia. I'm going to use me to godmother. I'm a very well. Social media or it do boy la then when we who woman says you woman what he say cause you beg me no where you ya as a goddaughter what ya as a godmother who beg me no okay as a godmother ma can't cause some for you should do me something at the comfort not before you the craze oh the pepper you say I the fight for easy. I'm not fighting for easy what can't be social media I am not fighting I have been clearing this. I am not fighting for her. A video where I procure carry was to cause saga for her. And she's my friend. I'm like, don't do that. I post a video and see what you write on top. People go, they think now say she's talking to somebody. And I know say Bianca was among the people where think her. Because I know what she gets with Easy. I know say she go read mini puts. Now make me verse when I procure carry that video say, this idiot na kekere. Azana go de say na she de turtle. Now they say Aproko, don't do this. Don't do it. Aproko, don't carry this video. Because I know say Kekere go de say na she easy they talk to. No, I don't like it. She don't define easy since 1964. It don't define her. I not talk to her and I say go come for easy. Come on for easy. They know it. Why we video need again when we are here. It did dog boy. It did dog boy. They call people, they tell them your husband's salary, how your husband take they eat, how you take dey wake up, how this one, how you no wan work, how you this, how you that. I can't leak everything come out for social media. Egboro we yegbe. Egbe yegbe. Now get something person yam the white. If your yam is white, you cover it. You cover it. You cover the yam when it's white. Your owner to they call everybody where care to listen. Maybe they tell them about your husband. So the oh young back don't scatter Facebook. Bianca, go back to your dog mother. Yeah, ma. Ima oni guje gwan ve video now because ye me kian gbe. Ye kian gbe ya tian je igbe. Ma open door. Una lock una self out. All right. What's she wearing? Can I see? Can I see what she's wearing? I don't want to talk to her. Next video, I can't talk to her. Now you are one beat. See how they buy you a boy. You ain't even no matter if you are de buy a boy. Ya boy, ya sasa we gun. Ain't you a boy with the ya boy with this ya boy with bonopa. Why is the old dawa? Oh ya here do swim makeup here. Who go le saga? When you can take a cabo where a shower go make you lose your reputation. Babe, open the door. Let me see. I don't like the top. Make sure wear the yellow one. That yellow one. You know the one, right? The tiny one that I have. No. The yellow one that have thingy rope on here. Go wear the yellow one, please. Your mouth, they beat you. Since you defend me, I'm not talk to you. Right? For this video. I'm not talk to you. Now you put yourself inside and I go see chance they beat you. Yeah, I'm your boy, yak boy. I'm here. Oh. I open my heart to you, easy. Open up my entire inside. We not fi enter us. Monica, I will be. We not fi enter us because we dey in SARS. You see, and I did chair for you. See what I did watch before Netflix. I don't know what you see. See what you did TV. Who I beg you? Will continue watching. You see? Did you see that? Netflix. Good. So we not fi enter us. We dey in SARS. In my own comfort zone. In my own comfort zone. I want to enter us. Ignorance. Ignorant. I do Igbo wife. We no get sense. She not really get sense as I said in the video. And you now too not get sense. You're ignorant. We not good. Now they listen to us. It says a lot about you than us. All these people, they are entertainers, including myself. You're not better than us. With the comfort of our house. You see, I'm a telly white, 75 inch. Right? I dare you, they look. I sit down, relax. I don't want to even kill my body. I don't want to dance. I don't want to do anything. I want to sit down, beat this girl. Now my mouth, they talk. I don't need to open line. Me, anybody come, they cuss her or come, they talk to her. I'm sitting here watching Netflix. Once I finish that video, now carry my remote, I press continue. That's it. I don't want to enter us. When we dey comfort zone, we just dey chat with you now for social media. You're ignorant. You're ignorant. If I'm not entertaining, or if you be better person, you dey work. Like me now, if I dey work, I know they open phone. It's not possible because I don't want to get sacked. If you dey work, why you hold your phone? Depending on the kind of job you do. Like I told you people before, I work for Universal Credit. All right? I work for government, yeah? I know if they work carry phone, it's not possible. I know try and carry my phone come out. It go there inside bag. If you get job where you do, you get work. Why are you watching us? Why are you here? Why you they follow social media? They go even use one of our name to open Facebook. Why? You're jobless just like us. You're not better than us. You're not better than us. You're not. Any of all these presenters. One way or the other, they are all entertainers and you enjoy it. How many of una there they watch? Yet you criticize us, you judge us, you insult us, you bully us. Right? And we are entertaining you. If unity there among us, all of us where they do video, we'll do meeting. More not come live video for 1 week. If una know the shout, where una. All of us go do meeting. The whole live video presenters. Excuse me. God is this small azana so. This azana kekere. Gorish kekere. Gorish all of them. We'll go do live video. We'll do meeting. Say nobody should come out for 2 weeks to do, no, a week to do video. If una know they find us, they go. Nobody. Rita, Monica, Lolo, me, Kate, Sarah, this one, all of them way don't they do saga, Epa social media, Efei, the other guy with the Frank Victor, all of them way they do social media. All of us go come together, say, for 7 days, 1 week, nobody should want their live video. We can keep ourselves busy on conference call, video call, talk about the next level, talk about what we're going to do. You people now go the shout. You will be bored. I met someone yesterday in a supermarket, African shop, my friend's African shop. I was there, she come, Easy, I am your fan. How are you? I don't say why I see your video. Now come tell her, say, now yeah, they do my video. She say, now do well. If I bored like this, I they go Facebook, go watch video. Once I just did somehow depressed, I they go Facebook, go watch video. Even if na saga or now you they talk of ekia or the other one, it they make me feel good. Thank you, Lord. See you soon. You're dropping and coming back. Never answer me, say. Right? We keep you busy anyhow. You go carry your phone, you are watching saga, you are watching me now. Hearing me talk bullshit. Even if you're not interested, it's just the sweet for your ear. That's all. You're not better than us. And I know they do like say I better pass any of them. If you're thinking that, it says a lot about you than me. If you're a commenter thinking easy go, they do like say she better pass people. Every time now they talking for you, say none of us better pass each other. We are all Odunga in our houses. If you feel offended by that, it says a lot about you than me. If you get it. If I keep criticizing some certain people, I'm criticizing them, I'm just like, oh my God, they bunch of idiots, they just shit. It says a lot about me than them. I keep watching them. I keep following them. Why am I complaining? It says a lot about me than them. Do you get it? Do you get it? When you say people are not good, these people are not good, these people are not good, but you keep watching and following every move, every videos, every activities they do, it says lots about you than the actual person. It's not a rocket science. Common sense. I know common sense is not common. Some people don't have it. But you know what? Go get it. That one, they found one beating mama for her. When they sweet you, they confide in her. Tell her all your secrets. If they sweet you. You want come out for social media now, come they curse her. You dare not. And she not fit do video to talk anything about you. She fit they talk her for your back, not in public. She respect what you both have, even if say your head not theirs. But you don't they do 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, one come talk. Wait till you want talk when you never talk. You get waiting day Bianca man doing one may talk about Lolo. You see person like me, I'll come and come beat you. Because that's a godmother and goddaughter thing. Keep it to yourself. We don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. Keep on. I don't want to hear. If Lolo see they talk about you, I don't want to hear. She should keep it to herself. That was your goddaughter. Respect it. The same goes to you. Go hire people, make them come help you beat them for social media. Go hire them. The food money what you they give you, make you take they eat. Go pay people, make they take beat your mama for you. Wait till you want talk where you never talk. Respect what you both share in the past. It's like a relationship. Respect it. I don't want to hear what you have to say. Let other people speak. Keep your mouth shut. Not be this one you want for come show your wings. You don't have any. Yeah, crush anyway. Why have you ever seen who are high? Who are high anyway? A saga mobota. Who have you ever seen high? Because they didn't high. You know, easy person go, they curse you for that side, curse you, call you this, call you that. Why have you ever seen high? Why you be where you saga? Go ask people where they do saga if they sleep well for nights. Except you will not timbo. Azenvo. Here what? Yeah. A dag behind the best soon. How do you be where you expect me to come out on the cost law? What fian wagmo? Ekita. Nonsense. See you guys. They are no one good for insights. They craze. I can't come out. Lolo, leave Kate alone. Lolo, leave Kate alone. Leave Kate alone. Mind your business. Not concern me. Now when she talked to her for her wedding, I come and say that was wrong. It was wrong on her wedding day. Not be this saga with the day. Stop it. You see hashtag Lolo. Hashtag is it the coin one can cost Lolo? Because na Kate friend who are bell. I've been a boa. As on a crush you with any and a devour. It's Sansan with your qua. It's Sansan way. Bell. Tisa who want talk for 12 on a matter. Who they talk for mama picking matter. Even if now you are S, you think you run away. Oh, I don't run. I don't free. I don't care. You both share something. Shut up. Keep it to yourself. What you ever share. Now, so I tell that woman that time. When she come out and they talk about, they make me do this. I'm like, shut up. When you they join, they sweet you. I know one year. Keep it to yourself. That was what you people share. It be like me, come and I can't they talk about kids. I can't they talk about kids. Whatever me and Kate share was, it was up to us. I don't even care. Make people listen. They craze. Go pay people. Go pay Agberu for ring grow. May they can't help you beat her. Agberu azen. They find my own for. He say, yeah, he's a boy. Yeah, me video no we again when we are here because he ain't going no ya iton awe. No ya zaga. No ya de here kwa. We guy. I carry the again when he on the no my expecting it. Il Latin those sansa we gone. It those sansa we gone. It's sansa. I walk bono begi go carry right. Udabo that me €10 before they'll give you money. I want to top up recharge card before they'll give you money. Why can't they talk to me? What you share with your godmother, stay with you both. I don't want to hear that dirty. If your godmother come and talk, I'll sit there and say, no, this is not right. You don't they do video since body they cash you. Yeah, we understand, but shut up. She not saga you. The fan where you want for talk. What you want to guess back where you buy how much? A guess in here Italy. Half of people where they Italy, they say that they work for fabric and I guess that they work for. And pony ya do love you. No ya there. Ya eva. From €60 ya mo €10 ya dem ngijue. Egbedu amuwe. Uma beg go Google guest bag how much they be. They take gushi no pana roko baroko nenemi baroko bareze iya hon. Made e Versace. Umade Prada. Me make Prada wo wani de Italy. Ime Prada. Nye G&G na de Italy vegeni na ya zero quiet po no mama me mwepo. Na backpack I dey like because I'm a tomboy. I put on for back, I'm gone. Ekpo no mama imu oyareva na de Italy na zero G. Then guess half of people for Italy they work in fabrica, they work in guess. They steal those bags, you go buy them from them. Half price. £20. Una mugiju egbedu amonu adota. You go no send the girl adota on nowhere. Elbo wa yawe. E make up in wa mugin elbo wa no. They ask you now. They didn't ask you. Now you the found who you wanted to do godmother for social media. You were showering them with gifts, which is ridiculous. You don't exchange gift for friendship. You don't do that. They exchange gift, present. I give you, you give me. I come, you are my godmother, I give you this. And then if I ask you to do my Facebook, you help me to do it. What's that? What kind of friendship is that? What are you exchanging? What is it? Nonsense. As you defend me, I'll come out for you. Now 15 minutes video you do, you want almost there. This one I don't pass 1 hour. A day you can't be. I'm not breathing. You're bueful. You're bueful. I'm not talk to you. Some guest pack, they're expensive. Yeah, Google them, please. Google them. That small one. Google the small one where she buy. Google them, that type. Where she buy. I know it's a gift. It doesn't matter how much it is. But why do you want to come out and talk about it? Why you want to come? Excuse me, it's a present. It's a gift in the court of law. When you buy someone a present, you cannot take it back or ask for it. Or even talk about it. It's going to be dismissed. If you go court, it's going to be dismissed. But why be say for social media will take them and say, wow, big D, because you don't like the other person. You forget your personality. Because you don't like the other person, you forget the principle. You can't talk about a gift in the court of law. You can't. But how about our morals? Or buying someone a present and then trying to be like, I don't understand it. Why? Why? Is that a thing to talk about? Excuse me. There are other things. You know the other things to shut up. They not call you for this matter. They not call you. Pretty said the best case to stop saga. Married your comment. You don't start your own saga for leave Kate to continue. See, Pretty, I'll tell you. You know why I said make them stop? Go watch this video. You'll see I not talk to this girl. I said only women when every so anyway video now I already saw, right? For that video, what I do, Kate and Lolo, they are not telling the truth. I'm not lying. Kate and my paddy, right? They are not telling the truth. The truth is not coming out. I just say, Mona, stop. Go watch the video. You go, yes, I talk for inside. The truth is not coming out. Mona, rest. Lolo, please forget it. Kate, forget it. That's it. Now, Zana put herself, now, Kekere want enter inside. Now, he begin to insult Lizzy empire. Say they had this empire. Say I curse her. Victim playing. She was not in that video. Everybody's name was mentioned. Okay. I call Monica. I call Lolo. I call Kate. I call Sarah name. I call Naomi name. And her name as well. Because inside the gossip, her name was there, right? Okiro, Naomi talk about her. Right? Things they were saying together. How she confided in Naomi with her mama, a godmother issue, right? That's how she was mentioned. Everyone was mentioned. Let's say everybody on live video. Everybody play victim like you they play victim. Monica come and say why you call me. Lolo come and say why you call me. This social media will be problem. It will be a big problem. Chaos. It will be a chaos the way you came out. That was unnecessary. You've been looking for Lizzy empire for a long time. If you have the balls on your live video, talk to her. This social media, many people they talk to who not fair talk to them. Not be new thing. Not be new thing at all. They talk to me. People who are not talk to her. They stop it, they do my ekia. All of them, they find my attention. They go. On your live video, insult Lizzy empire. People go ask you, say, what did she do? They make you see if you go fit talk. One thing where she do you. Or one thing where I do you. I didn't talk to you. Never. Why should I? You're irrelevant. I not say the family to curse your mama. I not give you that space. Your mama not give you. Now me go give you. You don't dey find way to insult your mother. She refused to answer you. You dey find big fish, they go. They insult easy. For one video, they talk to two people. Excuse me. Which side are you? They even believe you, they look you. You're useless. You're attention seeker. You just want poor body. Are you mad? I don't hear. Kekere na Bianca o. No say na Kekere never talk for 50 minutes. They breathe like one die. They breathe like one die. Na Kekere o. Beautiful but very local. Yeah, she's very pretty. You know, we never talk bad about her. You get one video when I do, and somebody was mocking another person for not talking English. I came out, I can't talk for that thing, say, Mona no they laugh. English na borrowed language. Kekere come put for my comment, say, for my comment section, this one a person where they do video to another person where they do video. She was like, I never comment for your post before, but this one where you do so, my lady, God will bless you. I looked that comment, I was like, wait till they worry this dirty pig. You don't do that. You be content creator or whatever you are, you do makeup, you're on social media. Why would you come and comment that on my video? It's like, you know what, my comments before, since you they do video all your life. Now when you talk with you favor me because you're useless, you know sabi talk English. Hey, you don't play to my tune. She can't comment for my post. You don't do that. You they do video since. I know they comment, I know they write. So you can't talk now, maybe about people mocking single mother. I'll come your post, come write, say, I never comment for your post where you do before. This one where you just do so. I like her. Where done Bianca. Who does that? That is wrong. You don't do that. If you like the video, just like her, when you do your video, talk about her. No come put that comment for here. I'll talk. No, I know they talk about ekia for Facebook. I have a pay show coming up, okay? And if you want to go and buy your ticket, some people are buying their tickets already. It's on the 21st of this month, okay? ekia class. I can't talk about it on Facebook. They report my videos and I get, strike. I don't want it. So I have a pay show coming up on the 21st. And so go check it out and buy your ticket. Okay? Buy your ticket, all right? Bianca English, they make me laugh. Person way they call mother-in-law, mother-in-law. I must speak English. I tell you, and I've been imitated talk to ask him. Is it why you block Osamuyi? You be Osamuyi. Osamuyi what, please? I'm not sure. For this Facebook or the other one, I'm not quite sure. Osamuyi what? Ma look for her. If I see the name, I'll remember what he talk. Who be Osamuyi? Now you be that. I'm not sure who that is, Yeah. Who be Dede Yongi? Bianca. Now Dede she be. No mana no winner. Oh me uri pension ya winner. Madi pension ya Italian mana winner. Ni mana. Easy. What did Lolo do to you? Lolo not do anything. Not be Bianca one mark on cost Lolo. I'll beat him. If Lolo they beat him for that side, they beat him for you. Yeah? Lolo not do me anything. Wait till concern me. No. You think I don't like her? No, I just talk. If something is wrong, I talk about it. I don't like her. I don't hate her. She's not my friend. She's not my enemy. On the video I did, I said she contacted me. I didn't want to get involved. And I said it, also said it's not because not because I'm better than her. I don't just want to get involved. You understand? Like, I know from the beginning, say social media people, don't get involved with them. You know, it be like me now, you want to get involved with me. It don't make sense. Like, you like me for my comment section, say I like that girl. I get people, right? This girl they here just now. Why Bianca not they speak Benin? Help me ask her. Or the Yokwewagmon. When they force they speak English, we don't know. You know, one person day here just now. Every time I do show, now she dey fair buy ticket. She never message me one day. She never writes me one day. She nothing. Now she dey fair buy a ticket. Say I dey go this girl show. Even if now only her now I want to talk to daddy for that show. I'm happy with it. That's how you do people where you like. You don't have to talk to them on the phone. Wait till you go come put for my comment section. You come they tell me for phone. You like me, go and put it on my comment section. Let the world know you like me. Right? Don't put it on my comment section. I know the verse for Lolo. I know hate Lolo. Not like I want to stay away. We don't have to be close. We don't have to be friends. Right? We don't have to do anything together. Leave these people. They're bad news. We not even need say because of the way things be. We don't need to they talk to each other. Why? Because before you talk, they'll record you. Before you talk, this one will happen. Stay away from each other. If you get something to talk about it for your live video. And that's it. I talked to Lolo when she talked to Kate for her marriage. And I not come they insult her, they curse her, they do this one, they do that one. I just talk for that my video where I did 3 days ago. Say, when Naomi give her my number, she got in touch. I just said, sorry, I didn't want to get involved. I think Naomi told her. That is it. I am not better than her. Neither is she. You just keep your peace. Right? They don't get anything to say. Oh, now so she tell me, oh, now so she not tell me. Now so she do, now so she not do. You understand what I mean? I'm not the verse for Lolo. Never. Why? You don't see her talk to me for this social media before. She's never talked to me before. Right? She's never talked to me before. I come and say, this saga, you don't do. I thought Kate not like the video when I do it, but you know what? I talked to her sister. She didn't like it. Why I call her sister, and then why I talk to Faith, we know. Stay away. Mona rest. That's it. Why Zana put herself? Why Kekere want enter inside? Why she turn her to her home? If you want to talk to Izzy, come out and talk to Izzy Empire. Come out. Talk to her first. Poke her. More not the one where you did for inside. No, Corey Toto, that is not you. That is not me, please. What happen? Who give me belly? No big bola, they give Percy belly. Now who give you belly? Easy Bianca, they YouTube, they cry. I don't care. They are forming victim, you know. It's victim playing. I didn't talk to her. I'll cut that part of the video comment. I didn't talk to her. I just say, Naomi tell me goddaughter, tell me no now, tell me no now, tell me no now. Nene goddaughter, so even went. Lao sorry. Instantly I apologize, you know. There's a reason for that. It not reach to go on live video put. Can't they insult me? Because you the verse for Easy Empire. It not reach. It not reach. It's not enough. It's not enough, is you don't get belly. Yes, so I want born twins. I be mona go to buy me things, so it's the last one. The last small, yeah. And there are not so many people like my life. Mona go to buy me baby things, so I want born twins. You know, it's ridiculous. They're forming victim. She wasn't talked to. I didn't talk to her. She do video now, the way she they insult me. Don't say Easy just cause this girl. Easy make this girl vex. She's defending herself. I didn't talk to her. She wanted me to insult her mother. And I don't want to. Why you want me to curse your mama for you? Oh, Muyi, T-Boss, Facebook friend that you called Muyi. Really? No, I can't block him. Why I go block him? I know him personally. I know him on my, not personally. I know him. He's always on my live. Used to be always on my live video. I wonder, like, where is he gone? I didn't block him. I'll check. Okay, maybe my admin mistakenly. You know, sometimes when you block someone, yeah, I'll check it. I didn't. To be honest, I'm sure he does. He know this Facebook? I didn't block him. I want born twins, so. Oh, Bianca, then you choose to make her not cry again. She not sleep this night. I'll come for you. Say she want go use me build her YouTube. I know answer again. Now this last one I'll do for her. I don't verify. I don't talk about her. That's it. She want go use me. They collect money for YouTube. Abi, megwarige YouTube. Ah, what's that? You see, I say your mama good for your body. You see, because if person talk to your mama now, your mama carry them go YouTube. That's what you're doing now. So better shut up. Don't talk anything. Stop doing video about your mother. Okay? We don't want to hear anything where you and your mama do. Stop doing video about her. Stop it. End of it. Full stop. Everybody go their way. Mother finish. Daughter finish. Everybody. That's it. Go. Bye. All right? That's it. Don't talk about her. She won't talk about you. That's it. All right, the fair way you want for talk. Now so you give her money. Now so you buy back. Now so you this. They beat you join and now you want to talk. We know 1 year. You see me personally, I know 1 year. And if I see that video, I'm not going to promote it. I think it's bullshit. All right. You are not one. Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Oh, the cause what did Jennifer do? You know, leave her. Oh, he tried to pay for your show last time, but he couldn't. Really? I know. Now I want born twins. My nose done the big. I want born twins. So when I go the bad baby thing so. All right, people. When I go the bad baby thing so, no greediness, baby thing. Make you do close. Make I go watch Bianca. Yeah, I want go so. Go watch her, yeah. Go watch her. Now easy hair she dey fine. If you go that video now, easy hair she go they talk to. All right? You get what the two of them do. You get where they foresee each other. Where I don't know. Okay, so now they know the one where they for inside. Everything she's saying got nothing to do with me. She just want enter easy hair body. They know where they foresee. You understand? They know what it conspire like YouTube wahala all put together. Even if like say Lolo even talk for the matter. You know, she get what she want talk about easy, where she never talk. So if you know now, go there, you go hear her. All right, girl, she want talk something. If they prepare her for body, me she can't talk, come on. And now she the thing full her body pass. And it go good, she joy easy and enter saga, it go sweet away. Now next summer, all right, she want talk about easy talk. Easy talk for yourself that you don't want to. Oh, I don't want to what? You don't want to hear. Oh, Bill, with the commenters one here. What be that? Talk for myself. What be that? What you want me to talk for myself? Easy Bianca is doing premise. She's not talking about you. Now she know, not be me. She define. Una go see her. Now easy hair she wants, okay? Carry easy hair. She's a mother. She's in her 40s. A mother, a wife, a grown-ass woman. Carry her. She know how she quiet the look. She know how to deal with you. Okay? The only thing be say, no use me. Take fight another person. You understand? If you want beat me, if you talk to me, I come and beat your mama. If this one talk to me, I come and beat your papa. These are women. Right? Where be like say, this ghetto, this more picking talk to me, pepper me for body. If you just talk to me, I'll call see mama. Not be you, as Zana Kekere. Do you get it? Zana, you know those small things. The one they show say they get power. Now easy as she define, not be me. She just define opportunity. If you see video where she do, she talk to me so much, she carry easy hair, they talk to her. Anytime you talk to me, I come and talk to easy hair. You understand, like doing saga, she wants to say she belong. I don't dare yes since so. I know they talk anything. I just want proof to Bianca say, I dare yes since I never they breathe. Alright? Because she do 15 minutes video. You want die. I dare yes since so. Now Momo she be. I dare yes since. I dare yes since. I'm still here. I'm not breathing. I dare here. I not there any side. I not there your side. I not there anybody's side. If you think say you want belong, you're tired apart to do saga. You're ready to do saga for 2 hours. 1 hour. 1.5 hours. 2 hours. Me I tell ekia. You never see some of my video. 3 hours here I tell ekia. Na so be. But you make up in we kwa we make up wa tell me papa. Ni ya we saga. Me rokba. Onya ya we saga. Oh, his Facebook name is I know him. I know him. I didn't block him. Block Muyi? I don't think so. Never. No. I can, I know him. I've talked about him. I call him Muyi, isn't it? That's why I bill. That's why I see person that they call Vita. I call him Vic. Tafia. I'll cut their name short. Give them pet name. I didn't block him. I don't block him. No, I can't block him. Like, I know him personally. Like, not personally, okay? I keep saying personally. I know him on my live video. So it's not someone I'll just be like, oh, it's not relevant. Let me block him. No, that will not happen. Because, I've talked about him before. Call his name. Talk to him on my Facebook. And all of that. So I didn't block him, to be honest. That would be ridiculous to block him, Just be crazy. Irrelevant. I not block him. If I block him, I'll post him. And I'll apologize in a mistake. I didn't block him. I'll look for it, alright? And then I'll see. I'll check him out, okay? To be honest, I need to end this video now and go actually see that. Because Sarah tell me before, I didn't know, say you even know him as well. Maybe you say you put him for comment section, you came to ask me. I'll check it out. Maybe because she lack good understanding. Izzy Bianca says she loves you. She's crazy. She defines Izzy empire. Who do I tell me a slave? When no biele me ya. No me na me tell me carry Facebook. Me ekia no. Uzuo. Na Izzy empire you define. Go straight for her. The fight people will go potentially fight for you. Who men when? You know get sense. Chris. They laugh you for Facebook so you not sabi speak English. I can't do video. Put you there, Chris. I can't do video. English is a borrowed language. It's a borrowed language. You two now the ekia slave, but you not go work because of ekia. You are not working because of ekia. Me with the ekia odunga. I work Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. Friday like this after work 5 o'clock, I'm excited. Oh, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday like this, I hate some day no break. They work because of ekia. And you're calling another woman ekia slave. You're not working. Ekia put you for house. Me, they work. I get ekia and I they work. Who is better? If Oibo not give you money, you can't feed. I just need to get into my bank account and spend money. Or use my cards, carry money, come out and spend it. I know they call any man. I'm not getting married because my fiancé is so rich, he's amazing. I'm getting married because I love him. Not because he want to pay my bill now. Oh, he's going to pay my bill. Every month he gives me 1,000, he gives me 10,000. If you like, sometimes if they support me, say I take 200 pounds. Great, thank you. Because it's a gift. Babe, take, I give you 100 pounds, I give you 150. It's not enough, but manager, I know say you don't want to take them, but just take them that gift. And they collect them, use and buy something. Sometimes he go order something, come my house, I go carry them. I know they sabi, I know sabi ask my money. I know sabi do, I don't know how it works. You can't talk to a person. Even if they say me you stand now, or you both got stand near you for you to spend money. Now only me go stand to spend normal work job money. You understand me? You they do a shower for us bars. Your Oibo maga gas stand for your back for you to spend money. Me no need anybody. I just stand my stand. If they say bring card, come I pay. Madam, now this how much it be I pay. You go they look like this pagare. Now you tell Oibo to pagare. You can't stand on your own 2 feet. So why do you think you're better to mock anyone? You're useless. Spiritually, physically, you're useless. You don't have your own money to spend. And you come out on Facebook, or hair where you carry for head, or you both gather for you. You more 10 euro what you both they give you. Now you gather take buy hair. My own they put on for my Peking account. You know why? Because I want my Peking to go private school, and when she'll go secondary school, private school, and I'll pay for it. You they gather and 10 euro, 50 euro what you both give you take buy hair. I don't have time. I don't need hair to come prove to you say my bank account's back on. No. If you see my picking, you go know if my bank account back on, if I dey use my salary where. Right? So madam, they work what they use the salary they do. Maybe in the future when you see my picking, you go know what I use my money to do. But you, Oyibo have to do everything for you. He has to take care of his children. Yes. 100%. How about you? If they stand you as a woman, can you spend money without it coming from somewhere? It's good for your husband to support you. Yes, but why you mocking a single fucking mother? Why you they mock a shower when you not get level? A shower they spend the pounds. You they spend the euro with your husband. With the help of my husband, I am doing well. With the help of my husband, with the help of me, I am doing great. You are only doing well. Me, I'm doing great. I am doing fantastically great. Fantastically. Going anywhere just for me to take my purse. Or idagbaburuku iya mwe credit card. Yes, ya wina ya pay. You don't talk to people like me. You don't, honestly. Bola no puts me for house. Now me put myself for house. I pay my bills. Can you proudly comment and say you pay your bills? No, you are just a house fucking wife. Which, no insult to housewives, no insult to that. It's a full-time job. I get it, 100%. It's more difficult than going to job. But why would you come out and mock other people? Does it make sense to you? You two say you get mad, you want to talk, you won't talk. Like, look who you they talk to. Talk to your fellow Igbo wife. Where you define. Talk to them. Two of una, we go the hear English. We go the hear Oyibo. We go the hear Oyibo te the fuck una. We go the hear Oyibo te the give una money. Talk to her. Not pass my body. Because me na bonsha woman. Me na my own. I don't need to carry handbag follow body before I spend money. Don't talk to me. Don't come for me. I didn't come for you. You know who you're looking for. Easy Empire. Go for it. Go for it. Go. Why are you talking to me? You're talking to a ekia slave. How dare you? I am a slave to a dick. I enjoy it for a living. Do I take money for it? No. I work full time. 37 hours every fucking week. And you're talking to me. Are you mad? Pay my bills. Take care of my child. Do everything myself. Eat double. Come and give me 10 euro. I want to buy hair. Who will say cocoa? Another 10 euro. Say cocoa. 20 euro. Who say cocoa? Easy. The video where Bianca do seen 3 days ago. Now you see. Somebody called me this morning. I see her. The day she was doing it, I saw it. Because I follow her, right? For support. Like I follow everyone. I see the video. I was like, oh, now Lizzy she define. I know. You know when you know. It be like this whole thing. I just say, is the way to concern you? I know. You dey feel me? Kate, I dey close to her. Lizzy, I dey close to her. You understand? You definitely will be like, okay, they know each other. Lizzy know, you understand? Now, so I know who she define. You get what it conspire between two of them. You know, they fell out. Lolo knew about it as well. You know, Lolo not talk. You know, they talk so many things. I can't be like, I don't want even hear. Easy, I don't want, because who they talk so, I don't know her. I not talk put. I know who she define. She's looking for Lizzy Empire. Because of what happened to two of them. Now, this morning, I received call from person when I like for Facebook. She can't tell me, say, Bianca say, you talk, say, she ho-hoa. You know, ho-hoa for Benin, a very big word. Even if you and person, they quarrel, you can't say, well, no ho-hoa, not very strong. Now, so I didn't say that. I will never say that. I like Benin to speak. I will never. That's a strong thing. Oh, that's how our mama will tell us. He go pepper you like you know what it be a vagabond. You're nothing to do with. You're useless. Like, you know, David Bararavi guy kind of thing. It's a very strong word. I understand Benin language a lot because I lived with my grandmother. She lived with us and I was in the same house with her. It's a strong word. I got pissed off. She did tell me, say, no, do it, no, do it. I said, no, I go do it. Because once I said quiet, I know they use so many things, they laugh people, because I just think it's a normal thing people should do. I just do my saga, they laugh, they'll say, oh, no, I say, no, I have to. I like this person. If they talk to me, I respect their views, and, you know, I say, no, I'll do it. Now, come out, do this video. To clear and say, you're attention seeker. You're looking for Lolo. You define Lolo. You know, say now your mama you define. You define easy. You want to talk something. And remember, this person where you want to talk to, you were once on the phone with them, gisting about your marriage, about your life, about everything. Be careful. Some people where you do saga with. Be careful because you can't overdo it sometimes. You can't regret because they have so many things to tell you. You were all friends talking on the phone, talking about your husband, your children, your life, and all these things. Be careful. I just look and say, I don't want to talk to her. You know, it might put her in trouble, put this one in trouble. She and Izzy will come, they go up and down. I just rest. Now, when I received that call this morning, I was like, this is fucking too much. And the useless bloggers are putting my name on top of it. She's not looking for me. Did you watch my video? Did you, like say, Bianca, they not talk to you for that video. Izzy talk to Kate and Lolo. Why are you inside again? Why are you doing this saga again? Kate's name was mentioned. Why Kate not on live video? Sarah's name was called. And Naomi's name was. Why Naomi not on live video? Say, Izzy, you are lying. Stop calling my name. No? Right? I call Monica. Why Monica not say, Madam, no, they call my name again for your video? Yeah, they bring any video where Okwo no. Lolo not come and say, leave me alone. No. It was a reference. Before I started, I said, if I mention your name on this video, it's not for saga, please. I just want to make reference. I am not stupid. All right? I am not. Do I look stupid to you? I apologize in advance. Because I respect people. I want to be respected. I respect you. I apologize in advance. And I can't say, instantly, I apologize. It's apology. There is nothing else I can do other than apologize immediately. And then down on the video, when they talk about Lolo and her, I can say, Bianca, I don't even call her, and I can say, who talk about the bag? Say the bad bag. Not be she talk about the bag. More rest for this issue. Commenters come tell me, say, no, Lolo do video about the bag. Now I say, oh, Bianca, I apologize. I'm sorry. Not vex, mommy, okay? Sorry. I know, come. Education is not wisdom. Education does not help you use your brain. All right? If you're someone who love respect, you give it to people and you expect it back. You give it. I apologize. I know what it means to apologize. My picking way they apologize to her. I'm sorry, mommy, not vex. Mom, I don't like when you're screaming at me. You just shouting. I don't want to eat. I'm full. If you wait for now, go back. Say, I'm sorry. I want you to eat. I just wanted you to eat. That's why. I apologize, mommy. I am sorry. I do that to my daughter. Why are you seeking attention? You define easy. Go for easy. Ekia can read comments. Bien. It's a Marie comment. Where do you comment? You comment. Don't mind Bien. She just look for way to insult his empire. Attire. Why use me? You define big fish. My bongo kwakwayo. Honestly. Because I didn't talk to you. Now, if you define no from the beginning, that's why I don't want to talk to you. But when somebody called me this morning, say, "Oh, now we talk ho and then me." Why? Igwaze do me gbedo ni aze. O wana ma gumegwa. No na gumegwa na iye ge tu hohoa. Uzuwa ugele menwa. And I was right from the beginning. You know why? Because I know what's happened between you and Una. Things where you tell Naomi about your godmother and all of that. Go tell somebody else. Right? And instantly I apologized. You don't know the meaning of apology. You don't know the meaning. Even when people commit crime, right? And they sincerely apologize, their sentence could be reduced because they have remorse about what they did. They are remorseful about what they did. Instantly, I apologize. Lao egui. I didn't do that. Instantly, I apologize. Edoya tanabe yedoya imia. Imia, no, you know what that means? Apology is imia. I'm sorry. What when you need your botai? I apologized. They board radio when I say my zebo the video no now when you zebo. Edoma said domese, ovia doing. All right, ya here zebo ya we me kia ya temebo. A saga una. Is it do wawe saga you speak your language. Do guazebo. Ena gbawaba. Agwe baye de do gbewa san magwazebo. Uzeto uze broken English. Aku we here. Yes, easy this weekly man use English to talk to. You're gonna disgrace yourself. Shut up. Even me where they talk, I speak pidgin English. I love being in my language and pidgin English. Makes me look funny and I like it. Bell. If not be that person this morning, I for not talk to you. You cannot say they find easy. Saga easy. Easy get things to tell you. Unless she won't keep you quiet. Saga, she they come for you. Okay? Well, you want to show relevant that they find you. Bianca, don't grow wings. Hey, don't grow wings. Hey, ya pe where you walk, ya this someone. Why man na pe ye walk ni? Yeah, the way, egbe we ya now. Yeah, the way. We're walking ya demo out of da. You mad? Those bloggers don't like it. That's why I told them to stop carrying my videos. They go put nonsense on top. Bianca thought to easy. Two partner man, the one we are propose. Easy. Because of what Easy said. I never talked to Bianca. I never did. Apprentice bloggers. I never did talk to her. I make reference to everyone. I just make reference to her. I didn't talk to her. Who is she? I can't even see her. Who they see Asana? Kekere Asana. Who they see her? She's not seen. I bet no more cucumber for them, more cucumber for me, oh. For me, not them. Why are Benin people fooling themselves? Oh my God, we're better than you, all right? Because if you think people are fooling themselves and you're listening to them and watching them and commenting because your comment is a plus, not a minus, so it says a lot about you than us. We're better than you. Does that make sense to you? You see? And for example, a movie is not good. I'm just like, oh my God, this movie is ridiculous. Oh, why the actor, the producer, they use this as a, instead of complaining, just switch it off. Off it. Right? Switch it off. Don't watch it. Next, if you don't like people talking like, wow, they're disgracing themselves. You never hear say women all love webu before. You never hear that. You never hear. Benin people, see our thing a double. Is it new to you? Is it? Say where Benin person sit down, Hausa sit down, Yoruba sit down, difference today. Aluga Rikebe, you never hear them before. Alright? If you say our Benin people, good. Do you know the population of Benin? It shows your ignorance. Anybody marry you now, they not get work. Because the population of Benin alone, God calculated the population of it. The population of Benin. When you say Benin people, you're including the special people, the educated ones, the ones that are not on social media, the doctors, the lawyers, the defense, and all of them. When you say Benin people, you're generalizing, shows your ignorance. It shows your stupidity. It says a lot about you than me. It Does that make sense to you? Stupid. Go back to school and come back. Idiots. Beanie people. You're generalizing it. What happened to the word some people? What happened to it? Like I come here and I say, Oyibo wife. Why as well? Oyibo wife. No, some of them. Especially this one I'm talking about. She's useless. Why would you generalize that? That shows ignorance, stupidity. You think you want to come and comment on my post. You think you're learned, but you're actually educated idiots. Educated illiterates. Because we all know you do not generalize. It's just some group of people who are jobless. They have their own professions and what they do, but they're actually jobless, all right? But they just come and have fun on social media. You think you want to correct them, but you are actually stupid, if that makes sense. Do you get it? When you generalize it, you cannot generalize it. Everyone knows that. You use the word some beanie people, some of them, because it's just a flinch of them. Does not talk about the entire beanie people. Do you get it? Like you say UK people, including the white people we get country, you're referring to them shows you're ignorant. Because one black person do you something, oh, people will say UK. You're generalizing it because of two people or one person. How educated are you? Imagine teaching your teacher who came to teach you. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? Stupid. Stupid. Think we're all crazy like you? Go back to school, you idiots. When you come back, you come educators. Because if you think you want to educate us, be very learned. Have wisdom. Have understanding. Know the different. Have knowledge. Because if you have knowledge, you would know. Even statistic, when they talk about something, they give you the percentage of it. Not the entire. That is, the entire race, the entire this. Ask, go Google, say, what is the population of black people on earth? Google will tell you, say, I don't understand. I do not understand. I do not understand, because they've not done the statistic to know exactly how many black people is on the surface of the planet. You cannot do that. Do you get it? So, oh, black people on the surface of the planet, they all like this, they all like that. It shows, it says more about you than the people you're talking about, because that is pure ignorance. To do that statistic, you have to literally go and count them like this. 2 billion is in Nigeria, 2 billion is in America, 2 billion is in Croatia, Italy have 2 billion black people, UK have 3 billion. Oh my gosh, they're the ones on the planet. Do you get it? Do you understand that? There's a way. Wow, right? We are better. Because you think, oh, I'm better than them. Let me go put my comment there and humiliate them. You humiliate yourself. Go do some learning or something. Go read a book or something. Get out. I have lots of books I'm reading there. I'm quite, open a bit when it comes to that. You're just stupid, It make me this. Sometimes see in our comments, I'll be like, this is, no, say it where. Have you done the statistic? Have you done research? How many black people? How many people they do live video for Italy? How many presenters are there UK? How many? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 people. They do live video from UK, from England. Say they do live video from England where maybe 2. Myself and Lolo, England. Talk about Northern Ireland. Only Monica is in Northern Ireland. Ude Island where Naomi Day Island. Only her and few other people. How many? If you put everything together, if it's too much, 100. Let's say 100 live video presenter. You go use that to compare the entire nation, community, kingdom of Edo State. What does that say to you? It says a lot about you than me. Do you get that? Maybe I'm educating you. Get a seat, you motherfucker. Get a seat and listen. What does that say to you? Have you actually write down the names of the Edo people doing saga or showing off or popular. We'll say popular because there are a lot of them you don't even know. There are lots of Igbo people you don't know that are talking about how to buy Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, big this, big that. You don't know them. And there are a lot of Yoruba people that una they'll see. Now Yoruba man want marry. Not even because of that. I know Yoruba people for saga. Their saga, they dirty. Police, they arrest them. Not be the one that they do so. They don't deport people put because of saga. Yoruba people saga for social media. They don't enter Naija put. They don't fight for public, for Facebook saga. How many people for social media, Benin people, don't fight for public, for social media saga? How many do you know? Other than say they beat us, they come Facebook. Hey, they come Facebook. I don't fight. I don't want to make them bunch my face. So we'll run come Facebook. How many do you know? You haven't, because they're not the kind of people you follow. You follow us because you understand it, though. You understand, Benin. This is what you attract. You attract what you are most of the time. That is what you understand, and that is what you go for. And you become familiar to just these people. And then, as stupid as you are, you generalize them. How stupid is that? Let's say you're an explorer. Like me, I'm an explorer, especially when it comes to sex. I'm very exploring, okay? I'll be like, Zimbabwe's guy. I know if I tell you the best men. Because you know what? Zimbabwe's are, they are bola, they big past their whole body. Okay? Rwanda guys, fuck me. Their dicks are wonderful. And now, let's go to Gambians, my actual proper people. Their dick are long and slim, just the way they are. They are slim guys, tall, athletics. If you go to Gambia, right, and Senegal, they're similar. They share the country into two. They were all the same. If you go to Senegal, their bola is long and slim, the way the men are huge, are cute and beautiful. So tell me now, choose one. Zimbabwe's are bola nice and good. But you see these Gambians, they go inside slim and nice, and if they go direct, upper direct. Choose one. I can't choose because they're all perfect in their own ways. As I fuck Gambians and all of them rich, who I end up with? 9 German. Huh? As I promote Gambia, even to every woman go to find Gambia man, they go where they go shop their bola. Some women go call me for phone, say, easy, the way they talk, the thing go, they make my toto, they do. I go say, no fuck Nigeria guys for now. Go another man, find Gambia, find Zimbabwe, find. Person tell me, say, the ones where they, this Europe side, they know they clean. Now say, the ones where they UK, you feel see them, you just they lick them for stand. Because, you know, it's a bit upgraded here and they're very clean. Gambians are very neat and clean guys. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. Their country, white women, they go just because of bola. How come the one where they, on our side, Spain and Italy and the rest, they're not clean? You know, carry one, wash them for inside bathroom. May you explore yourself. It go give you that ginger and that power to explore. Even when you see black man, you will be confident. As I promote them rich, who I end up with? A Nigerian Yoruba perfect man made for me. So because that time when I do them, I will say they are the best, they are good. I praise them. I couldn't choose. If you ask me which one, Zimbabwe or Zimbabwe, try Zimbabwe, may come and testify. Now all of them, they're not the circumcised. Imagine uncircumcised man digging your kwekus. Kill me finish. They get extra lubricant where their bola they give toto, the moist where they give toto. Because they get more sensation, and if their bola go they leak, your toto not fit dry because they moist them naturally for you. Right? I have different things to say about them. Would I say Gambians are better? No. Zimbabwe's are better? No. They just have their own different ways. I started my exploration. Who spoiled me was Rwanda man. This Rwanda man was the perfect man I ever seen. Not for relationship, for the sake of exploring my sexuality. Would I say Rwandans are better than Gambians? No, they all have their own things to offer. They're different. They're different nation, different people. Why should I use one brush, they brush? Are all Senegals this good? No, because I never fuck all of them. Do you get that? So don't be stupid, don't be ignorant. Get a book. I always say that. Get a book and read. For you to watch us, we not get sense. Get a book. Nobody there. My daughter is not home. Nobody, it's just me here. If I don't watch Netflix, now just go my bookcase for the carry book. I'll just read. That's my hobby. I love reading and I love Netflix and I love live video. Can I juggle all of them? Yes, my pikin not there. She go my in-law to be house. She go play. Okay, my boyfriend, my fiance sister. My daughter go outside. She want go play. And I'm free for the day. Okay, she's gone. I'll read a book and relax. It opens your brain. It just show you. Not all of us on social media are crazy. Even if we're entertaining, doing crazy stuff. But you know what? Our brain still function. It still functions. It still works. There are lots of knowledge in there that you don't even have. So don't think you're better than us. I always say, you're not better than any of us. None of us live video presenters are good or better than each other or bad. We're not. We just have our own different styles. It's varieties of things. Imagine everyone is like me. You go here, the ekia. You go there, uhe. You go here. Oh, that one see they talk about ekia for that. I can't carry ekia show come. I say that ekia. I want everybody come and come. You will be bored. You want something to spice it up. You need to mix it up a bit, right? That's what we're giving you. If you don't like it, go follow Hausa people. You don't like it, follow Yoruba people. You don't like it, Shekiri Day live video. Go follow Shekiri people. Oh, you know what? Leave Nigeria. Go follow Gambians. Gambians do saga, especially now. Where this girl from come? Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone saga. Nice fucking saga. When they speak that they are broken English, your ear go deaf. You go laugh, you won't die, but you know the hear one thing where they talk. Their pidgin English is perfect. Their broken English. Go follow them. Leave us alone. You're not better than us. You're not better past me. If you stand with me, I go win you for debate. You crazy? I go win you for them. Defending myself. Somebody say I talk to her when I not talk to her. Before you know it, don't say that isn't a bad person. I just say she good because the video went viral. Because she's looking for big fish. People's going to believe she actually talked to her. I didn't talk to her. So I came out to defend myself. If you comes out, you will not win me on debate. You decrease everywhere I go. I'm a team leader. Once I go, get the training for my new job when I do so. They voted me as a team leader. Why? Because of my mouth, my brain, and my power. And my presence. You decrease? You decrease? Because with their live video, they talk to you. Constant debate with me. I go win you. You go get shiver. Fear not let you talk to people. I'll talk. I'll come on there. I go win the debate. Because you can only chat. Can you actually flow? Are you fluent in your talking? You're not. But you think you're better than me? They crazy. Benin people. They're mad. They just see a Benin woman for your life before. You don't ever. As we talk about bad, as we talk bad about Benin women, you don't ever say any Benin woman. Forget say we they do saga, they curse ourselves. You don't ever for your life experience bad Benin woman. Every man have good experience about Benin woman where they don't follow. Every single man go tell you say Benin women they crazy, but those women spoil for bola. When they cook soup, when they do this, they have good experience. You're not better than us. It says a lot about you than me. You can't win me in a debate. They talk, they come, they insult people. They talk, una not good, mona enter us, mona this, mona that. If they talk to una, they say, you are for me, you are too big. You are for me, you're better than anybody. No, I'm replying to you. I'm clapping back at you, telling you I am better than you, because you think say you better pass me. I'm telling you I'm better than you. Then let's go back and forth with the argument. Nonsense. They talk now. Call the cost person for comment section. You can only type and correcting. What do you call it? Autocorrect is doing this most of the spellings for you. Can you actually write? Grab it. When last did you write? This training, when I do, I write, I won't die. I won't die for writing. And your writing, I go show if you can do the job. Your writing. The way you take put sentence and everything, and I got it. Your writing. I mean, when last you carry pencil write or biro, you write. For real. When last you write? All of us these days now phone autocorrect, some spelling you go they find out you not go see them. When last you write? When last you put yourself on dictation, say, tell your pikin, say, tell me anything, let me spell it, and then you check the spellings. When last did you do that? Autocorrect doing your job for you. Think you can come to my comment section and talk bullshit? You think that? Can you get a pen and write? Can you put, talk about a specific story? Write it down with a pencil or a pen? No, tell me. Tell me, think you're better? Think you're better than these people on social media? Do you think you're better? You're not. None of us is better than each other. We're just doing our thing. We're different varieties. Right? You're not better than anyone. So keep you to yourself. You think you want to come and educate us? Oh my gosh. I thought to that one enough you reply, man, you come into my platform and I hate ignorant. You know they watched my video before. I don't like ignorant. I don't like it. I just think you can educate yourself. Get a book and read. There are small books. I get them if you want me to show you here. Small books to start to they read. Small. I get book will be like this, my phone. Very small. It not reach like, if that paper too much, 20 to start to they read. And the words are bold. You use it to practice how to read. It makes you fall in love with reading. And there are amazing things inside. You start get a book. The time when you take on the comment for our video, where you they curse us, most people where they watch us, they are lawyers and doctors that need something different. So if I go here education, if I go here book, if I go here law, if I go here, they just want to hear nonsense for social media, and they like it. I get lawyer as friend when I see for social media. He like our saga, our nonsense, because he's an when I say educated, he's a solicitor. He's super educated, well-known solicitor for UK. Well-known. He defend correct black lawyer for UK. Now you go meet. He never fake case before say you apply for paper for you, they not give you. He never lose any case, right? But he like me. He like social media. He even get fake account. Wait till they watch. Wait till they comment. Wait till they help me. They go talk anything. They do this. He go tell me, say, na me, oh. I'll say, oh, now your account with this is nice. You open it. It just like it. Something different. Something different. Why you think you're better? If you get sense, talk to us. Because you think these people are just, creating something different from. Because you be like us, now make you not like us. If you are different, you go understand exactly what's in at the top. You will. Sometimes I watch this saga, I'm like, especially a past saga. I love it. Oh, now don't hear me call for a past live video. You know why? It's something I never see. I never in my life. I never see my papa talking bad about my mother or they fight. Never in my life. And I never meet any man where they talk bad. Now, may they always be the dominant in a relationship. Maybe that's a bad thing. But I'm just a dominant. It's just me. I'm just like, I like being in charge, kind of like big woman to me. I think it's like that. My mom is the same, it's a gene, it's a nature, it's my thing. I'm attracted to that. When I see a party, say, yo, Toto carry this one, you did it. It's fun for me, something different. I like it. All those saga where they do, it remind me of Nigeria back home, when we go to quarrel for markets. I don't always like it. But a pound, they suits me when they do saga. Even when they talk to Kate, I go YouTube, I go they look, I look finish, I come out this. If I don't do this matter, you're not supposed to even talk to self. I come out. So you want something different. Think you're better, you're not. You are right. I wash to distract myself from some. Exactly. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly. Sometimes I just be like, I want something different out of social media. Like, can we go somewhere or something? I don't want to enter Facebook today. Then they ask me, you see those videos? Is there, you see. I did see Bianca video, they fly, but I just be like, she's irrelevant. Until Percy called me this morning. I just need outside of Facebook and distract myself. If you know yourself, you go know exactly what's in at the top. People where they pay for my ekia show sometimes, they probably know more than me in sex. But they just want another thing different where they do what they not get. Because all of us are different. That's one thing you need to know. I don't like ignorance. You have to understand. It be like law. Law for America is different from law in the UK. It's different from law in Nigeria. It's different from law in Italy. So this solicitor now go come and say, oh, you not fit win that case. If na me, I go win now for UK. It's different law. The laws are different. You can defend it in the UK, but you can't in Italy because it's different laws. It's different. Do you get it? But sometimes I'm just like the ignorant. You know what? I'm over it. It's too much. God. Mark on they go. I don't try, all right? Person do 15 minutes saga, they breathe like wait I don't know. I've been here, you know, I just want to prove a point. Okay, if you come from me, I'm coming for you. Nasaga me take they do house chores. Oh, I actually like people like I tell now before. Say if I the wild they found who they like video, man take clean house, man take wash plates, man just the thing where they talk is crap, nonsense, bullshit. But I just want the hear man, they may keep me busy. I'll forget. I'll just listen. I'll just the wash plate. You're so right. You're so right. Sometimes you like to comment. Your comment will say, Mona fight on say, Mona kill on say, Mona do this. Kate, you want to more. Lola, you want to more. Mona rest. Sometimes some people they comment. But sometimes when I see some comments, I'll be like, oh, this one is nice. This one are just, my may not be like say I comment, they take comment. But some people are just there pouring their ignorance, pouring their frustration, pouring their, you know, it's just like, you're doing nothing. What are you doing? You're enjoying this, and that's why your comment is always coming up. If you're not enjoying it, why are you there? You're spending your time to comment on something you literally don't like. I will never buy something I hate. Never. Alerum. No yo boy ya demi numa gualo. Mi numa gualo no yo boy ya joy. So you better pass people. Use video, take clean as you did. Put back comment. You want to correct people we probably no pass you. All of us just they do like say we don't know anything. Come social media, get view, enter us. Get followers, enter us. Get view, enter us. Talk nonsense, enter us. You don't actually see these people for real life. Have you seen them? Do you actually know them? Other than what you actually see. We're looking for views. We're looking for people, publicity, popularity. Follow me to my YouTube. Follow me to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Publicity. Popularity. And this who they really are. They're not. Some of you not like Kate. Talk to Kate. Just call Kate for the first time like, is this so dear? May you see the way she'll answer you. You'll be like, this will not be Kate where they say be a zen way, be bad person. You'll judge for yourself. Especially Sarah, when people they talk about Sarah, I'm like, fuck it. If you near Sarah, you want old Sarah like this girl. She's a nice person. You don't know these people in person. You've not seen them. See you guys later. Alright? Sandra Waters, if you're talking to me, you're going to be blocked. Okay? I'm going to block your comment after this video. Guys, see you guys. Take care.